right, we're starting off with 1 cup of our Jet Puff cream. Next, I'm gonna come in with my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, and we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of this cheesecake stuff. I absolutely love this. You can find it at Walmart. So let's get, okay, I might have done a little bit more. I might have been 2 cups. We're gonna add some vanilla bean paste to this, but you can use vanilla extract if you have it. And we're just gonna add about a teaspoon of our vanilla bean paste. And then our fun and extra ingredient that we're adding, we have some Swiss Miss hot cocoa. And we are going to add a generous amount, about 1/2 cup should do, right in there with our cheesecake, our marshmallow fluff, and our vanilla. All right, and now we're gonna mix these all together super quick for this easy, no-bake holiday treat. Who doesn't love hot cocoa during the holiday season? And this is just a fun and exciting taste of hot cocoa in a new way. So let's make sure this gets fully blended together. All right, this looks so delicate and delicious. Let's move this to the side and bring in our fun, festive Santa bowl. Yes, how cute is that?
Super cute.
This is not a requirement for this recipe. It just makes things so much more fun. And we're gonna put our hot cocoa cheesecake mixture right into our festive bowl so Santa can be swimming in it. Right. We got all of that out. All right, but this needs to be a little bit more festive. So we're gonna bring in our crushed peppermint, and we are just going to sprinkle that right on top. It kind of makes that look a little bit more appetizing. Some mini chocolate chips, but this is all optional. You can leave it completely empty if you prefer. And then last but certainly not least, some mini marshmallows, because this is a hot cocoa dip and it would not be complete without mini marshmallows. Just a few here and there, but that looks so good. So now this is a dessert dip. So we're gonna bring in our little charcuterie board, put our dip on there, and then guess what? We're missing some dippers. Start off with some fresh strawberries. Start off with the healthy stuff, but my family likes the sweets. So I have some gingerbread shortbread men, the holiday favorite, the Oreo. And look, this is a little Rudolph with a little red nose. All right, moment of truth. Oh, she's thick.
Is it good?
That is absolutely delicious. You guys have to try this, like right now.